Hey there, thank you for tuning in to Down to Vacay. This is Gil, and I will be going over the new Norwegian Aqua that is set to sail in the year 2025.
Let's run away. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. Reaching up to the sky. Reaching up to the sky. So where do we go? Where do we go from here?
Okay, so I won't get into full details, the numbers game, for the Aqua, but I will say, being that the ship is a tad bigger than the sister ships, the Viva and the Prima, the amount of guests now has risen. So with the Aqua, per NCL's website, the guest capacity is at 3,571 for the Aqua, and for the Viva, it is 3,099, and that's double occupancy, pretty much. So the ship, tad bigger than the Viva and the Prima, and they're adding more. They're able to add more guests as well. I did like the fact that when we were on the Prima, there was so much space. The rooms were, bigger. The spots on board were bigger, except the venues. Just had to point that out there. But everything else was, you felt the space, which was pretty good. So being that the Aqua is now, a tad bigger, I'm not too sure how how it will feel with more guests on board. Not sure. We'll soon find out. Come when it starts sailing in 2025, we'll see how that compares to the Viva, which we will be on in February of 2024. All right, so as I watch this preview on the website, I am noticing the same thing. You have the Ocean Boulevard, as well as the new attraction called the Aqua Slide Coaster. So this is supposed to be the world's, and I'm quotations, first hybrid roller coaster and water slide at sea. That's what they say. Okay, no problem. I'm not too sure how that's gonna work. It looks, basically like a slide, just a regular, maybe a water. What do you call that, man? Those little water logs, the flumes, and you go through the channel, whatever it is. So they removed the go-karts. So I'm not too sure if they're actually going to charge money for this, the Aqua Slide Coaster like they did with the go-karts. But if they do, I don't know, man. I don't know how this is gonna. I don't know how I feel about that. They also added a new attraction, I guess, a new activity called it's the Glow Court. It's a high-tech LED sports floor. I don't know how that's gonna work, to be honest with you, because I see the ceiling is, there is a ceiling there. It's not an open basketball court, so I don't really know how that's going to work. There is a lounge just to the back of it. I think it's cool. I just don't know who's it for. I don't know if it's for adults. Is it for, is it for the kids? I'm not sure. So the good thing about this ship is the fact that Norwegian has kept the Ocean Boulevard. Again, this is part of the Prima Class. So if you don't have the Ocean Boulevard, I don't know. It's really bad. The Ocean Boulevard is actually pretty cool. It's a really nice. It's a beautiful deck where it wraps all the way around. You are able to see the ocean from any part of the ship on that deck. I believe it's going to be deck 8. You can walk around the whole entire ship. There's always a spot for you. There's always a lounging area for you. You do have the Infinity Beach, which is located on both sides of the ship on Ocean Boulevard, and you'll have the Infinity Pool. You have all the beautiful sections, as you would see on the Prima Class for the Prima and the Viva. The Aqua will also have the best food experience ever. It is the Indulge Food Hall, which is in the aft, the back section of the ship on deck 8, along the Ocean Boulevard section, where you'll have your Indulge outdoor lounge where you can grab a bite, go outside in the back, rest and relax in the beautiful area. The scenery is great. The chairs. It's beautiful. I love the way Norwegian designed the ship in that sense, with the Ocean Boulevard wrapping around, front to back. So they kept it on the Aqua, which is great. As for the accommodations, it's still the same. You have your very spacious ocean view cabins, your normal balcony cabins, your club balcony suites, your inside cabin. The studios are always going to be small, I believe. They are tiny. If you're sailing solo, the studios are small interior cabins. They have also added a new suite. It's called the H8. Don't forget that code. It's the H as in Harry and the number 8, where it is a duplex. So now you have a duplex in the Haven. Now, of course, that's going to cost you a good chunk of change, man. There's still more to learn about the Norwegian Aqua, and the more we know, whenever we find out about the details or more details about the ship, we'll definitely get it out there to you guys. Don't forget to like this video. It does a great deal for us. We really appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us out. We're able to get this out to you guys, the reviews, our honest opinions about what we do, where we go, how things are when we travel, whether it be cruising, whether it be international or simple drives, across the states. We are here to make sure that we give you an honest and accurate opinion. No clickbaits, none of that, stuff, none of that garbage. We are here to provide whatever we can for you guys. So, if you get a chance, please subscribe. Truly appreciate it. If you want to, you can actually visit us and follow us on Instagram at official_down to vacay, and check out our website. We're adding stuff here and there on our website at www.downtovacay.com.